Serger could do more than just make things. It could make a difference. This September, join sewists from around the world for Project Dress a Girl, a heartfelt charity sewing drive founded by my friend Mare de Jesus from Mare Sews. The mission? To create handmade dresses for little girls living in extreme poverty, both here in the US and around the world. Hey Serger Bees, I'm Sookie, your Serger coach, here to help you build confidence with your Serger one stitch at a time. So if your Serger's been hiding in the closet or collecting a little dust, this is the perfect excuse to bring it back to life. You'll be learning as you sew and sewing with a purpose. In this video, I'm using this project as a way to show 3 simple ways to make the most of your Serger while stitching up dresses to donate. Now, this isn't a full step-by-step dress tutorial, but you will find links in the description for each technique I mentioned. The free dress pattern I'm using from Oliver & S, plus check out the pinned comment for Mare's 2025 kickoff video for all the important details. And though I'm not walking you through every single step of making this dress, what I am doing is showing you how your Serger can be a part of something meaningful. Because here's the thing, your Serger is fast, like really, really fast. A home sewing machine is around 600 to maybe 1,000 stitches a minute. A Serger? Upwards of 2,000 stitches a minute. That's some serious speed. So let's put that power to work and learn while creating something that truly matters. All right, so here are 3 simple Serger techniques you can use to make your donated dresses come together faster and look cleaner too. First up, the 4-thread overlock stitch. Next is the rolled hem. And finally, the flatlock stitch. Now for a project like this, a little girl's dress that's going to be worn, washed, and played in, I really love the security of a 4-thread overlock, even if it's just for the side seams. That second needle thread adds extra strength, so if one thread gives out over time, there's still a backup holding everything together. Plus, you're getting both construction and edge finishing in one clean pass, which is perfect when you're making several dresses and you want them to last. Especially when these garments are going out into the world, maybe even to places where mending isn't always an easy option. You want those seams to hold up. So even if you switch to other stitches for the rest of the dress, a 4-thread overlock is a great choice for those high stress areas like the side seams. Next is the rolled hem. Not only did I use the rolled hem for the final hem of the dress, but I used it as a construction stitch. On this dress, I used it to attach the shoulder ties, and it gave them a clean, delicate finish that still holds everything together beautifully. So it's not just for edges, it can be a great option when you're working with lightweight fabrics and you want a soft professional look. For the thread, I used standard thread in the right needle and lower looper. And in the upper looper, I used my fluffy bee thread. That's Wonderfil's Soft Lock, a soft, non-textured woolly poly. It adds a lovely full edge to the stitch that really stands out. Now let's talk about the flatlock stitch. It's not just decorative. It's also a great option for construction. You can use either side of the stitch depending on the look you want. The ladder or the squiggly. And it lays totally flat, which makes it perfect for a project like this. On this dress, I used the flatlock stitch to attach the yoke to both the front and the back, and I chose to feature the squiggly side on the outside for a soft textured detail. To make that stitch really stand out, I used my fluffy bee thread, Wonderfil's Soft Lock, in the lower looper. Now, if you decide to showcase the ladder side of the stitch instead, try using a decorative thread in the needle. I recommend a 12-weight Egyptian cotton like Wonderfil's spaghetti thread from the Beehive collection. Since it's a bit thicker, I'd also swap in the 9014 ELX 705 needle with a larger eye to help that thread glide through smoothly. Flatlock is such a versatile stitch, whether you're using it to construct, embellish, or both. It's one that really lets you get creative. And now, Serger Bees, it's your turn to give all this a try. And just remember, beautiful seams start with accurate seam allowances. So if you're not sure how to nail that on your serger, I've got an entire video that will walk you through it step by step. You can check it out right here. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye.